YouTube world, back again. This time in a different neck of the woods. Just gonna go and pop in on one of the fellas if he's in. You might recognize the ends. We used to go to school down here. It's no longer a school, it's a housing block. That was a bit wide. Wait there. Wow, the confidence, mad. Yeah, we're recording. So I've got the black visor on. I thought I'd have a little change instead of the chrome one. Bearwood High Street. Now with the question, is he in? I don't know if he is in. Oh no, he's not in. Do you know what? I don't know what the volume is on the back of the Ruroc. It's so awkward trying to turn the volume up. No, we'll put this on instead. Apparently, the German markets are on, so we'll head over and see what they're saying. Let's see what we look like in a reflection. Don't know if you can see it. That's what we're looking like. Road, we're going to drive 30 miles an hour because there's speed cameras everywhere. I'm not even doing 30, what the hell. At least keep up. There we go. Bike gang, that looked like an MT something. What I'm going to do is this vlog, I'm literally just going to shut my mouth and just go for a ride. We'll get into Birmingham city centre and I might as well get petrol while I'm at it. One question I do want to ask for my more experienced bikers is, winter is upon us. What's the situation with having the bike parked up over winter? Reference petrol. Should you leave it with half a tank? Should you leave it parked up with a full tank? Should you leave it empty? A lot of people are saying park the bike up with a full tank. So if you know the answer, drop me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know. I thought that Audi was the Gunners, but it's not. If you know, you know. Oh no, I thought it was someone behind me. So this balaclava from Ruroc that I'm wearing underneath the helmet keeps coming off, so I have to keep stopping. So we're in the jewelry quarter. Let's see what we look like. That's what we look like. Before I hit the German markets, I need to go and get a bit of fuel. I'm running a tad bit low. Oh come on. What's everyone waiting for, an invitation? Hello. Oh, and if you notice, I didn't spill petrol all over my bike today. Before I speak too soon, I better make sure I take it out. Aha! Oh, one little splash. Shit then. £6.95. Cheers. How are you doing? Hold on 1 second. I can't hear anything you're saying. 1 second. Yeah, turn the music off. Freezing. You might as well say hello to YouTube, innit?
You bought it or?
Say again?
Bought it or?
Yeah. I've had it since April, May. Only get to play on the weekend.
I write it your age.
Yeah, no problem.
Some motorbike people is
Oh!
security reason I write it. I don't know you.
Oh, okay. Fill up and run off.
I didn't work.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I don't know who is it. I thought it's a little bit fast one.
Fill up and shoot off. Jeez. No point running off for £6.
You know,
Some people, yeah. I'll sign for it this way.
It's
Right.
nice bike.
Cheers, thank you. Can you ride?
No, I don't. I know. I ride back home.
See you later. Quick little interaction with my homie there from the petrol station. They know me well, but he didn't know it was me, obviously. He thought I was gonna fill up and do one. Yeah, not for £6.95. Talking about German markets. Apparently in Brum, they're back on. So for the last 2 years, they ain't really been on. So this is the first time they've been on in about 2 years. So what I want to go and do is just ride past, have a look and see what it's saying. If you're from Brum and you're watching these videos, let me know if you've been to the German markets and if it's even worth going. Me personally, nah, drop me out. But I know there's a lot of people who are wanting to go to the German markets just because they've been on for 2 years. Come on. Now, if we can ride past and have a look, then spot on. Oh, they've made it a two-way now. Wow. Alright, then this used to be a one-way, so I need to get in the right lane because I'm riding in the opposite lane. It's blocked off. Yeah, it's blocked off. So that's a bloody waste of time now. No, so you can't go that way no more. Town has changed so much, it's unreal. You can't even go there no more. Right, well there goes the German market situation. Fellow biker over there, there's one here and there's one over there. The only good thing is that when I got petrol, we just ride back in peace. No, we got a full tank. A random ass vlog. I want to with some people. Just a race. They want to race. I don't know why they're waving, but I'm waving, so let's change this. Change it to that one. I'm not really a fan of that display, but we'll change it just to be different. And if you notice, I've still got the sticky tab on there, so biker in front. Come on, what's that? KTM? Yep, KTM. Come on. Another biker behind. Oh, Jesus. It's about to go off. Wow. Man got overtaken by electric. These electric bikes are mad. We'll go under. So used to the other screen, I don't even know what gear I'm in. I need to change displays, keep this display on for a bit, let the eyes get used to it, just to let the eyes get used to it. Look how dark and dingy it is, absolute pants. Oh, no one. No, there is someone. Jeez. He came out of nowhere. Wait there. $13.29. So if you want to go German markets, it's strictly foot patrol. Come on, Sank. Come on the big boy. He was never so... Shit. No, not fun. Oh, it's craps. And now what I'm going to do again is stop here to sort out the flipping... This is bullshit, this balaclava. Well, I can't see sweet FA here. Forgot about the music. Put that in there. tight for that van, isn't it? Jeez.
Fucking twat.
I'm gonna end the vlog here. Random ass drive around the block. See you on the next one. Peace out.